Taking a few hundred images to make a Nightscape time-lapse can produce some really stunning video. I'd like to show you how you could use Sequator to clean up your images and reduce the noise in them for a cleaner Nightscape time-lapse. Okay, so we have Sequator open. Let's double click on star images and bring in our frames, our images to be used as frames in the time-lapse for our video. So you can see here I have 240 images. Now if we double click output and we'll choose a folder, I've got a folder here, timelapse. We'll call the file timelapse 1 and save them as JPEGs. Click save. For our composition, we click and we'll choose freeze ground, and sky region we'll choose irregular mask, auxiliary highlight, and then we'll paint out the sky. Doesn't matter if you get an object of the ground, we're going to sort them out in a moment. So you just left click on the mouse, drag the mask tool until you painted out the sky. Then if you use the scroll wheel on the mouse, you can shrink the mask and then right click and remove the mask from any of the images, any of the image which is part of the ground or a static object. So just remove the house, chimney, the television aerial from the sky mask. Like so. We want to double click high dynamic range and turn that on. We want to double click time lapse to switch it on. And for this I'm just going to use 3 frames, and this will stack 3 frames together and create a sequence of cleaned images for our time lapse. Even though you're stacking 3 frames together, you're not reducing the number of images you're preparing for your time lapse. We started off with 240 images and we will finish up with 240 images. And then click start. Now this is a medium range laptop with 8 GB of RAM. It's going to take about an hour to process. So we'll cut it here and we'll come back when the process is finished. Okay, Sequator has finished processing all of our images. As you can see, we have 240 images. Let's open them up in Lightroom and compare the difference. So if we look in closer, this is the original image straight from the camera. As you can see, it's got some noise. And as you can see, the stacked image, just 3 images stacked, is much cleaner. As you can see the difference here on the house in the brickwork. It's a much cleaner image. So we have 240 cleaned images ready for our time-lapse video.